Our showers come with different hand shower spray functions. The shower set with a mixer comes with a 3-spray function hand shower. You can easily buy an additional hand shower only, depending on your needs. To change the spray function, just twist the shower plate in either direction. Our 3-spray head has the functions full, full and mesh, mesh. And our 5-spray head has massage, full and massage, full, full and mist, mist. These functions come with different benefits. The full spray function delivers water across the whole shower plate, providing full, even coverage and a great shower experience. The mesh spray function boosts the force of the water spray, which helps if you're rinsing thick hair. The massage spray function varies water flow to create an invigorating massage experience. It's a relaxing and de-stressing shower experience. The mist spray function makes fine water droplets to create a gentle, soft and misty sensation. You can choose to use a spray function on its own or combine 2 spray functions to create your own personal shower experience.